What's up everyone? Today, I'd like to make a nibbles by using this lily bulb, which is often eaten during the winter in Japan. And here's the booze for today. A beer called Neko Nihiki, which directly means two cats from Isekaro Brewery. Isekaro Brewery is located in Ise City, Mie Prefecture, and they are applying the brewing technology of their miso and soy sauce that has been passed down for 440 years to the brewing of their craft beer. This beer style is New England IPA, which is new style of beer made in New England region of United States, and this time they brewed a collaborated beer with Culmination Brewing in Portland. Because the owner liked the cat, the left side of the label is actually the cat called Gin of Isekaro Brewery's owner, and the right side is a cat called Abby of Culmination Brewing's owner. What a cute beer! Now, let's try this beer. It's pretty hazy and the color is dark orange. Okay, let's try this. Wow, at first the refreshing citrus aroma of the herbs comes to my nose, and the sweetness and the thick mouthfeel of the passion fruit and the mango makes me feel like I'm drinking a juice. Now I know why Gian and Abby had such a confident face. Okay, let's start cooking. Is there any good way to make Lily Bulb go well with that beer? Lily Bulb usually goes well with sake, so in order to match Lily Bulb with beer, I think I should use something that is little funny. Alright, let's use this today. Okay, so today's ingredients are this beef tendon, cilantro, and of course today's main ingredient, lily bulb. This time I'm going to make spicy stir-fried lily bulb and the beef tendon. So let's start with the preparation of beef tendon. Boil the beef tendon once from water to remove the odor and lye. Do you know what the hell lye is? It's actually a coagulated protein. People who love muscle training may not want to take the protein out, but it may ruin the appearance and the taste, so I do recommend to remove it. When it boils, the lye will gradually come out, so boil it for about 1 minute. Turn off the heat, put in a colander, and wash off the lye on the beef tendon. When you want to simmer meat, I recommend you to do this process. After that, put the beef tendon in a pot, add water, cooking liquor, the green part of the green onion, and the garlic, and boil the beef tendon. Add the water to adjust if the water in the pot is decreasing. Then, let's prepare for the lily bulb. Put the lily bulb in a bowl filled with the water, and remove the sawdust and peel the scales off from the outer side. If you peel off the scale, there may be dirt inside, so remove the dirt firmly. It became beautiful. Let's peel them all. And wash the separate lily bulbs again to remove the sawdust. The lily bulb has a brown part that cannot be removed by just washing it. Removing this with a knife or peeler. It's not necessary to remove every brown part, but the big brown part will have a bad texture and appearance, so remove it as much as possible like this. But this work is really boring, so I'm using my superpower, aka fast forwarding. If you have such a large scale, cut it into size that is easy to eat, like this. Well, it takes time, but even if you spend so much time, when you eat, it's only a moment. What a life. Let's cut the cilantro. I'm using this as condiment, so cut it roughly. The beef tendon is looking beautiful, so I'm going to season it from here. First mirin, soy sauce, then spices, Japanese pepper, and star anise. Then let it simmer again. When it looks down, turn off the heat and then let it cool until the seasonings are soaked into the beef. When it's cooled down, cut the beef tendon in bite-sized pieces. Wow, it became jiggly. It looks so soft like it's not even beef tendon. Okay, next, we will grind the citron pepper into small pieces with a mortar. I like the refreshing scent of citron pepper when I grind it. Let's mix the seasonings before frying. Put the honey and soy sauce in a bowl. Add the soy sauce little by little so that honey mixes well. Add the mirin to adjust the sweetness. Then put a lot of oil in a pan and the citron pepper that you grinded earlier and transfer the aroma to the oil. And after that, add the lily bulb and stir fry. When the lily bulb starts calling all their lovelies when you're stir frying, let's add the beef tendon, which is gonna be the significant other. And if you can feel the crazy good love relationship like Jay-Z and Beyonce when you're still frying Little Bob and the beef tendon, let's add the seasonings. Stir fry until the sauce gets thicker. Also, keep the eyes on it so that sauce doesn't get burned. Okay, then let's check the taste and if Little Bobs are well cooked or not. The taste is perfect, like hairstyle of Elvis Presley. If it's okay, let's have it on a plate. Arrange it like a mountain so it looks cool. And sprinkle the cilantro on it. Alright, it's done. Spicy stir-fried Little Bob and a beef tendon. Then let's eat before it gets cooled down. Oh, but first, I have to prepare the beer.
No need to hurry. Your hoodie's never gonna escape from ya. That belongs to ya.
The dark orange beer speaks to me. However, I can no longer stop this feeling of eating this. Okay, so... Hey look, it's so beautiful. Let's eat. This is so good. I need pour beer into my mouth as fast as possible. There is no way it's gonna be not delicious. The texture of Little Bob is soft and flaky, but it's also crispy outside, and the beef tendon is jiggly and tender as hell. You know what? I could feel at least 5 texture. Am I in the theme park of texture? The gentle sweetness of Little Bob and the spicy flavor of beef tendon are a perfect match, which also makes the bitterness of beer hops meaningful. Like by eating Little Bob with fragrant spices and a fatty beef tendon, Little Bob, which used to be graceful, turned into a nibble that fits perfectly with beer. And of course the accent of this cilantro is the best. Because the beer has a strong citrus aroma, it washes away all the greasy taste of beef tendon and only the umami spread in the mouth. These two cats were not only cute but also had a great superpower. I haven't used beef tendon so much, but now I think it's the best ingredient because it's so soft and also it makes food special, and it's really cheap actually. And I thought that Little Bob was also difficult ingredient to use, but it seems that it can be used in various ways, so I'm looking forward to making all the ways. I had a great day today with a good nibble and beer. It was delicious. See you soon.